This image of a patient with his legs chained with handcuffs while undergoing treatment triggered outrage in Odisha.
कोडी बेडी पकेवा आसिले पचारि कहीं तुमको किए कहला ना सार कही।
The incident has been reported from Balasore District Headquarters Hospital. As per reports, the patient, who is a journalist by profession, was arrested on Wednesday by the Nilagiri police on charges of thrashing a home guard. After his arrest, his health condition deteriorated and he was admitted to the hospital for treatment. However, while the journalist was under treatment, his leg was chained with handcuffs to a bed allegedly by the police. On Thursday, the journalist was taken out of the chains following protests by his family members and relatives.
के सार को ना कौन ना आम कहीपर फोन कथा जहाँ मत जना पड़ता है जे बारंबार कहते बड़ साहिब कहते हमें तो क्या ना नौकरी एसपी कौन मुझे जाने नहीं किंतु से नीलगिरी मैडम सहित कथा से बेड़ी पकड़े कहले मैडम कहले आम पकेवा जेहेतु आमर नियम अच्छी जे माने कस्टडी भितर थी से अभियुक्त विरोध ये आम बड़ी पकई पार।
On the other hand, IIC of Nilagiri police station Draupadi Das refuted the allegations about the police chaining the ailing journalists.
मो थाना कौन से हैंडकप इश्यू है कि मो स्टाफ ने मो स्टाफ खाली बेलौली थे राति थे सका 8टा जाए से रही मो थाना स्टाफ हैंडकप इश्यू है कि हैंडकप पके।
Bureau Report, OTV News.